So it looks like that Games Workshop has launched the Horus Heresy.com. It brings you to this page, and it gives you a little link to the introduction trailer video. If you have not watched it, it's pretty darn cool. But also there's this fun little thing here. Discover your Legion. Yeah, check out the video. Anyway, discover your Legion. I have not clicked this button, so we're doing this for the first time. Oh, geez Louise. It goes into a full screen thing here. Yeah, okay, begin. All right. Okay. Horus the War Master has commuted with the dark powers and torn the Imperium asunder. How do you view his actions? What is this? Agree, disagree? It's not terribly clear. Disloyalty is unforgivable. Humanity must be freed of ignorance. Humanity must be freed. Scans of the battlefield have detected enemy troop movement in an unexpected quarter. How do you respond? Scramble the infantry. Call in armored support. Detected heavy troop movements in an unexpected area. You rapid respond with armor. Duh. It seems your enemy has left a vital position, vulnerable to counterattack. How do you go about destroying it? How do I go about destroying it? Call in Eldar. Launch covert operations to sever their supply lines and sow discord and confusion. Advance slow and steady. Discipline and training will win the day. And of course, actually be better to scramble rapid response infantry units for the raid. Honestly, I'd probably rapid response. The scans revealed a heavily defended bunker, and you're tasked with storming it. What's the best way to take it out? Strike fast, close the gap, and minimize the time in line of fire. Okay. Advance steadily, analyzing their weak spots and fields of fire as you approach. Sounds a bit more like something I would do. On second thought, maybe calling in tanks is the best way to minimize casualties. A heavily defended bunker, and we got to storm it. Yeah, it's between striking fast and steady advance. I'm going to go with steady advance, as long as you're advancing on the position. When you move in for the kill, which trigger would you rather be pulling? A bolter or a plasma rifle? People get blown up with plasma rifles, so let's go with the trusty rusty bolter. The enemy army is massing for a major assault. How do you prepare? Get your stuff ready. I mean, doesn't seem terribly difficult, but determine their most likely routes of attack and optimize your defenses accordingly. That makes sense. Respond in kind, deploying mass ranks of troops and then powerful war gear to blow them away. It's kind of... No, I think we determined their most likely routes of attack. We think about this stuff logically. Come on. What do you use to guard your flanks? Contemporary Dreadnought or Sicarian Omega Tank Destroyer? Well, a tank destroyer is only good if you're getting flanked by tanks, right? So Contemporary Dreadnought. No? Contemporary Dreadnought? You only got two frickin' choices? Come on, people. Would you rather stand proud atop your fortress walls, implacable in the face of your adversary, or rely on the strength and resilience of heavy robots, massive artillery, and siege fighters? I feel like I'm getting set up here, but I'm going to have to go with strength and resilience. I'm the Iron Warriors. Really? The Primarch Pertarabo is a strategic mastermind, and his Iron Warriors expert siege breakers. Their specialism makes them bitter and determined, for they fight grinding attritional wars while the other legions claim glory. Yeah, okay. So there you go. I'm an Iron Warrior, apparently. Apparently I'm Iron Warriors, for whatever that's worth. I don't know. I wouldn't pick Iron Warriors. I always kind of fancied myself a Imperial Fists or Death Guard. Yeah, I figured I was heading towards Death Guard because their strength, resilience, storming, and slow, steady advances. But apparently I'm wrong. Apparently I'm Iron Warriors. Iron Warriors are fine and all. It's pretty straightforward color scheme to paint these guys. It's metals with, hazard markings, maybe a bit rust, but otherwise it's metals. right? Metals trimmed with metal. It's an entire, like, I mean, like to paint an Iron Warriors faction, all you need is lead belcher spray and Nuln oil, and you're done. And if you want to get gritty, then Agrax or Shade, maybe Typhus Corrosion. But that's about it. That's the only colors you need. Oh, and then you got to paint the chevrons and everything, the hazard markings. But otherwise, yeah, that's it. Iron Warriors, apparently. Apparently, I'm Iron Warriors. I would not have. I don't think this is accurate enough. In fact, you know what? I feel triggered by all this, and I don't identify with Iron Warriors. All right, that was. I don't know what this was. Just, I don't know. Leave a comment down below. What Legion do you think I should be? I know what other people think I should be. I'm gonna see if you guys guess it. Maybe I'll make a response about what you guys think I should be. What Legion would I be in the Horus Heresy? I've already told you I identify more with Imperial Fists and Death Guard. But let me know down below. What do you guys think? I kind of already know what most of you people think, but yeah, you people.